again. What am I up to? I'm no longer have gastro. My stomach's still screwed up, but hey, this video I did something I've been trying to do all summer because nobody wants to leave a vintage die filer in the middle of your floor. So I had an old, that was at Sears Craftsman radial arm saw that somebody threw out. I took it because I wanted the bench. It's kind of like a desk in perfect height. So I demolished the top half and put on the bottom. So if you watch, I took it all apart off camera because I'm pretty sure you don't want to see me scrapping an old radial saw. If you do, I still have the rest outside and I'll make a video because the bottom is just the bottom piece and the top. Maybe I should scrap it. Huh? Make a good see what the hell's in that video. Anyway, I gotta get rid of this light right here. See, it's kind of in the way. For some reason it's acting weird. So anyway, yeah, I want to show you what I did today. Hold on. Hello folks. If you were watching my videos, you'll know that die filer was right here. And there's a trail that goes through here, and there's my workbench. So kind of a mini messy tour. But it was right here, I gotta move that thing, and my welder I usually put back over there, but there's a pile of steel over here. So anyway, I'll show you what I'm doing right here. This right here is a vintage heavy-duty 10-inch robust radium Sears arm saw thing. It even has a door that opens here. My secret stash of coppers in there. I put my die filer right here. It's in front of my blue Austin Mini. Anyway, if you look back here, you'll see it's sitting on here. There's a plug right over here on the wall. I should put one over here. The reason why I turned it sideways is, well, obviously there's a front bumper of a car. So I'm gonna probably set it up and maybe I'll try to do some die filing to show you how it works. But it's got a light and everything. So if you give me a second, I'll go around to your side, I'll plug it in, I'll see how good it works on here. So hold on to your noodle. So anyway, I hooked the camera up to the die filer, and as you can see, it's got what it looks like a cute little light bulb, which probably could use a different one. It's not very bright actually. It looks like there's a Christmas bulb in here. Maybe something else to do. See if you look right over here, you will see there's a tiny little bulb in there. But I got the camera hooked on here so I can kind of sort of go like, let's see. Yeah, I can give you a kind of a cool view maybe. Who knows? Maybe this is too short. Who knows? Is that good? Will that work? Oh yeah, maybe it'll work. Maybe not. So anyway, this is my vintage all-American die filer. Give me a second, I'll get something to file down. Hold on a second. Hello folks, it's me again with the die filer. Gotta clean my glasses, they're all foggy. Basically, this machine runs like this. And there. Cuts in the metal. So anyway, you might wonder like what might have been my purpose for buying a die filer. Well, you know, there's that old saying, why the hell wouldn't you want one? So yeah, I'll move this over here so you can see my face. So anyway, I bought this because one, hey, who the hell doesn't want a die filer, right? And second, there's one thing I want to use it for. And specifically, which I don't feel like killing my hands doing it, and I'm making a coat rack, and it has a lot of like curves and little flat spots, and I'm like, that'd be perfect. Do I need it just for that? I don't know, but it's a die filer. It's a vintage die filer. I picked it up right near Albany, New York, and I'm wobbling the whole camera. And it's pretty cool, actually. So, you know what? Why the hell not? It's a pretty cool machine. I do need to get some. This is just a regular file. Apparently it takes I don't know what kind of files, but I'm not even sure if this one's in the right way. But it's just kind of screwed in there. I looked online for vintage die filer files, and there's like all sorts of random shit going on with that. So I'm about 99% certain that this is not the right file. And most people have been basically taking, I think, 1/2-inch square files and just modifying them. So that's what I'm probably going to have to do, because I checked online and a whole bunch of vintage die files were like $100 a file or $60 a file. And I'm like, well, you know, I'll just use what I got. So yeah, but there's a little, I think somebody made an adapter online for it. So I'm going to have to take a look at this and see how it is. But other than that, I think it's pretty cool. So it's out of the way. I can use it. I could have used it this afternoon. I was making a bracket, and the inside was, So anyway, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and tell me how you like my channel. I'll try to throw some footage in here just to show you where it is. So thanks for watching.